It's Faye. Today we're gonna be trying Quest chips. I have tried Quest chips before. It was before I got bariatric surgery and I did not like them. I think I got the nacho cheese flavor or something like that. And I've been getting a lot of recommendations to try the Quest chips. So I decided, okay, I will give it a shot. So I have two different flavors here. I have the sour cream and onion and I have salsa verde. So this one, the salsa verde, is 140 calories for the whole bag, 19 grams protein. 140 calories, 19 grams of protein as well. Okay, we're gonna try them. I think I'm gonna try the sour cream and onion chip first. I'm so scared, honestly. Yeah, I think it smells good. I can tell it already has like that weird chip texture, but we're gonna try. Smells good, I think. At first, I was like, wow, this is amazing. But then I kept chewing and it did have that weird texture. Okay, let's try the salsa verde tortilla chip now. Ooh, that smells good. Okay. Wait a second. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Wow. Another one for good measure.
What?
This is so good. I definitely like this. This one. This one. Yeah, I might try some more Quest chips. That was pretty good. Thanks for watching. Bye.